So my bike recently started giving me a noise, which is also because of the sensor, IAP sensor. So this is if you can hear it, it's that sound. So this is basically because see the crack here. So there is a crack. So I'll have to just go ahead and cut that crack part of the cable and other pipe. Here's the pipe. So I've just cut it off a little where the cracks were. So let me show you the other piece. So if you can see here, let me see if we can focus here. So this were the cracks. So once now it has been, I just cut this part where the cracks were and fitted it back. So what I plan to do is I'm going to change it into a better pipe, and yeah, that should take care of it. So I'm going to just put a ziplock for now. So temporarily it has been fixed, I hope. Let me just turn on and check. So here we go. Oh yes, so if you can see, that sound has disappeared. So the noise that it was making, it has disappeared. So this works.